you guys, Caribbean E, welcome to the channel. Another day that you guys can check out the beach, check out the ambience, and enjoy. And again, welcome all my subscribers, far and wide. Again, this happens to be Kite Beach. We were here last night when it was dark. Then it got dark again, but this is Kite Beach. Awesome beach, awesome breezes, awesome tides. And they have championships here every year. Cool place, nice environment, lots of restaurants, lots of music, and lots of fun. Welcome to the channel. Check it out.
Birthday to me. Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
You work here?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Esther.
Hello, guys. I'm with a nice, beautiful young lady. She's here at this restaurant. What is it called?
This is Volvo, but this is Vila.
Okay, Vila. Okay, what do you guys do here?
We windsurf and teach windsurfing.
Okay, and you guys, when do you do that? What time of day or?
From 9 or like most of the time it's 10 o'clock till 6 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay. How long you guys been here doing this?
Huh?
How long you guys been here doing this? How long? How many years?
I've only been here for like almost 3 weeks, but
That's
most of the
cool.
guys
3
have
weeks
been
is
here.
good. Wow. So you guys do windsurfing and kite surfing?
Not kite surfing.
Just windsurfing?
Yeah, and stand-up.
Great. You guys give lessons?
Yeah, we do.
Wow, great. So guys, if you're here and you want to do anything of that nature, come here,
It's the Vila.
talk to her, Veda, and you guys will love it. We're in Cabarete, Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
Okay. So again, there's a lot going on here, guys. I'm trying to show you guys everything here. And again, you guys can look out far as I can see. I'm sweating like a bull, but it is what it is. Check this out, guys. Now one day I'll probably try this, but until I get a hang of it and doing it, I ain't doing it. I see one guy just took a dive in the water. He's doing it, he fell off, and that's what you get. We're not experienced. This is the equipment right here in front of you. This is what it looks like when it's laying here. Your wind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. But these guys are experienced, they're trained to do this, and this is what they do. Now you notice that this guy's got a back brace on. The young man is getting glasses on this. This guy here just got out of the water doing his. So there certainly have to be some instructions on doing this. I mean, just don't jump on it and just do it. There definitely got to be some instructions. If you just jump on this thing, it could be problems. You could end up out in the middle of the ocean somewhere. And how you gonna get back? So such a beautiful day for this, and I'm telling you, this ain't no joke learning these things. So you gotta take your time, be patient, and you're gonna take a few falls every now and then, but for the most part, it's just some fun stuff. But they're teaching here, there's structure here, and it's just fun stuff, man. I mean, some people are surfing, and some people are clapping, and then some people are barfing. All right, guys, I want you to see what I see. They also have happy hour on the beaches. 50% off pizza and pasta, food all day long, cocktails, drinks, selections from 5 to 7. Picture Sunday to Wednesday, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Hola, hola. Hola.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Nice beaches, eh?
Beaches.
Cigar.
Stoches. I have already.
Yeah, but I'm good for me.
So I finally find my friends that was getting a massage, and here they go. How'd the massage go, guys?
Oh, real good.
We've been looking for you guys for the last 12 years,
Real good.
and it's a whole 10, 12, generations, and we finally see you guys.
That video.
We're sitting right over here to your left, so
You got it.
when you guys get all cleaned up, join us for some Presidente.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
That is all. No, I'm good, man. I'm good. Thanks, man. I'm good. Okay. Hello. So, more restaurants here, more fun. Everybody's having a good time. And also on this beach, I gotta tell you guys, there's lots of chicas, so you gotta be careful. Watch out what you ask for.
Hey, let me see what I have here.
Every Wednesday night and Sunday from 3 to 8 p.m. You guys gotta check this place out too as well. All this is on the beach. And there's your host right there. In her. Can't go wrong, guys. Can't go wrong. So much to show you guys, so much to see. I can't show it all in this one video, so I'm trying to keep it short and not have it long. But lots to see, lots of action. So, in the meantime, continue to subscribe to the channel. That subscribe button, notifications. Remember, life is to be enjoyed. Peace. Peace. Ladies, great news. I found the guys.
You saw 'em?
Yes,
Great news, your beer's probably hot.
the great news. We found the guys and the beer's hot.
Yeah. Are they almost done?
They
Are
done. They brushing off coming this way now.